Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode with Drone Mesh. So today we're going to be talking about ESCs, and it's going to be ESC reviews and ESC certificates. Now, I'm talking to a bunch of manufacturers, and a couple of them have agreed, and we are working on the process where the ESC is certified. Now, what do I mean by certified? It means it's tested and just done a complete report for each ESC. First of all, I started with Flycolor here. So I do have a couple. They're still, I still haven't uploaded them yet, but you could find them here on the website, and you'll start seeing this trend. You'll start seeing them on Banggood or wherever these ESCs are sold. You'll start seeing it. So what it is it's basically a PDF file that has everything that you should know and should see, and all of my testing and everything into it. And they will constantly be updated if I add new testing. So that's going to be something very nice to see here. So here's the PDF. It's currently embedded into the website, but if you wanted to download it, you can just go ahead and click download right there, and it'll download that PDF. We'll just say I'll always allow, and you could download it, keep it on your PC, and here's the PDF file. It has everything, and you could also zoom in, so it's pretty good quality, so you don't have to try to make out the numbers here, as you could tell here. So it's very nice, and I've also made it mobile friendly on the website. So in theory, if you put full screen, like for example this is full screen here, on the phone, it'll work absolutely phenomenal. And where did these lines come from? Oh, okay, there we go. So yeah, this is I think there's a little bug in my Chrome, but that's not supposed to happen. Explorer. I don't use Explorer, but just here I use Explorer for videos. So overall, I mean, it's pretty nice. If you wanted to exit this, you can go ahead and do that. So these will be, and as you could tell here, I've also added some, affiliated links here. If you could use them, those greatly support the channel also. The script goes and searches GearBest, Amazon, Banggood, Get FPV, and all those, but only Banggood and Amazon is where it found them currently. So yeah, so to get to this section here, what you have to do is you have to go to reviews and more, and it's ESC certifications, and this is where it will be posted, or this is where it will be if you wanted to confirm that this ESC was correctly tested or that PDF was created by me. You would find it here immediately. So hopefully the trend is that these manufacturers are going to start giving it to the websites they're selling these ESCs from, thus giving us more information, and you don't have to go scour the internet. Plus, I still have my videos. If I do, I will always create a video for it. So, I mean, if you wanted to see the video, it'll be linked inside the PDF file. So if you wanted to go ahead and see it in action and stuff, and just get a little bit more information of me talking. So I tried to summarize it with as best as possible, and just easy to consume, and just has a lot of good information in there, which basically tells you if it's a good one or it's an okay one, or just one that's not good. The ones that are not good basically just be statistics and just the numbers, and then yeah. But yeah, and then here we have the accepted limits of voltage spikes and the voltage. This is what I consider accepted limits, and I've gone through this throughout all of my years of testing. So this is what I find to be the best, and those are always going to be set inside every template, every PDF certification. This is the template limits for us, and as you can tell here, this one did very good, and I'm very glad to get started with this one here. And yeah, this is what's going to be expected. I'll be doing more of these, and maybe later on we'll do flight controllers also. And yeah, you can also see the FPV video feed. I'll figure out a way to actually, even if you guys want, put the FPV video noise, how it translates into the system. So it'll be pretty interesting, but currently I just still need to finish the testing setup, the testing rig with 4 motors, and then we can do some really nice detailed tests and simulating all kinds of crazy cool stuff. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and start downloading these, you can go ahead and do it. They're absolutely free. They're very good for what is it? Just to keep reference. And you could always see, you could confirm authenticity of the certificate here. It'll just take you to the category of the ESC certificates, which is the thing that's right here, ESC certifications. So overall, this is what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully this will be just a quick, you just take a look at it and if you want it or not, and you can easily compare. And I'll build a system which compares them. That will take time. I'm not promising it anytime soon, but I will build a rating system upon that on my website, so you can go ahead and easily go through these and then try to compare stuff. But it's going to be a quite bit of a challenge and time consuming, because I also want to say, like Flycolor here, it's pictures for the noise, and this is the voltage drop, this is the voltage spike, and then based upon that it kind of puts with the pricing. And then I think maybe I have it too complicated in my head. Maybe we could simplify it. but I just haven't really gave it so much thought into it just yet. But once I do, this is one of my to-do lists and should be done very soon. Hopefully I'll find someone to help me program it, because I really don't have the time to sit and program that, because that'll take a lot of time. And overall, that's really it currently. This is one of the best ESCs right now, and go ahead and check out my shop. It'll really support the channel slightly, but in return you guys get better offers than you would anywhere else. So I think these are sold out. I have more coming on Wednesday, and these will be coming in 5 more days. Now we have one in stock. These things went out in like 24 hours literally. No, a little bit left, 48 hours I think. So we have one left now. You guys are just crazy. You guys just took them all in. I mean, it's the cheapest place where you can find them currently, especially if you order 2 things. You know, the shipping can kind of compensate for that. But overall, I mean, anything helps. You know, Patreon, if you could go ahead and support Patreon, that also helps the channel a lot. And I'm trying to also do this currently, the certificates also to support the channel, and also give obviously valuable information back to the community. I have this awesome little Drone Mish budget starter bundle. I don't even want to consider it a budget. This is like a premium bundle. It's a FlyColor, Matek VTX, and F405. It's pretty insane. So yeah, and I also have another one coming for the Matek, a little bundle like this, and I'll also have a Tico 32 ESC bundle. So yeah, just keep monitoring this stuff. I just constantly do crazy stuff here, and should be pretty interesting. The secret shop has a lot of cool things I can't show you, but yeah, you can go ahead and get a secret access membership that also supports the channel. So anything goes an absolute long way. I need all the support I could possibly get, and just to keep afloat. And yeah, that's it guys. I just really wanted to make this quick update video, and just let you know that these certificates are going to be hopefully seen everywhere, and hopefully you guys could also request them from sites to put them up also. So here's one right now, which is for FlyColor. Tico 32 is coming up next. Solo Good, I'm making one probably for Solo Good, but it's Tico 32, and we'll see what else we're gonna do from there. And that's gonna conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope all this information is gonna be useful. I mean, I have reviews here. Some of the best products, you can go ahead and check them out here. For example, if you want to see the best flight controllers that I've tested so far, you can just hit best flight controllers, and it'll bring up the best ones, and you can click on them and watch the video and check the prices in different places, and it's pretty cool. Like, I mean, it's I try to do this, you know, as full of useful information as possible without just overloading you. So if you just wanted just basic reviews of everything, you can go to reviews. If you wanted something on a budget, the best budget ESCs, best budget flight controls, you can go there. If you wanted the best of the best, you can go to the top products. If you wanted to check out ESC certificate, if it's been certified, you can go here. Some news, just some news here. The shop and latest FPV products. Currently, the script goes and just checks Banggood for everything that has to do with drones, and it goes every 6 hours and sees what's new. So you can always just come here and check out what's new. I've done this here, so it's very useful. Soon I'll have one for Get FPV and possibly GearBest also, and Amazon. Amazon's a little bit more complicated, but we'll see what we're gonna do with that one. And yeah. And you can also download the application. I'm currently integrating the secret shop into the app, as well as the ESC certifications with the PDF into the application. That'll need about a week or so, a week or 2 weeks to get done. And yeah, any support goes an absolute long way, guys. And I really appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all your subscriptions. This has just been amazing. And I just hope it continues to grow and just keep creating quality stuff for everybody. And yeah. That's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave a link to everything down below if you're curious about any of the new products or anything that I've tested, or just the stuff that I have, found to be very good. I'll leave all those links down below if you want to go ahead and check those out. Those really greatly will support the channel, and you can also purchase something here on the shop. That also helps. And that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.